Yes guys, welcome to our part 6 WordPress installation. Now we're going to learn how to install plugins. You click here on plugins and you say add new, then you look for a specific plugin you're looking for. I'm looking for Yoast. Then let's wait. Yes, this plugin is so powerful. We use it for search engine optimization. That's why you can see it's called Yoast SEO. So you install that. We're installing. Takes a little while. Yes, done. Then if you want this plugin to work, you activate that plugin. So we want you to see the difference here when it's activated and when before activation. So you go here to your WordPress. You can see if you go to this post. Let me cancel everything. So we're busy with this post, but you can see you don't see anything here down here. So you have to see something here down, so you can just see this. You can only see this, so there's nothing major here. So but if we do activate this plugin, it's gonna be activated soon. Yes, we've activated it. We can even see it comes here and says SEO. So when we refresh here, let's see what's gonna happen then. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe and share our content, please. That's the only support you can give us. Yes, now you can see here down, we can see the plugins activated. So it's gonna ask us to put the keywords, and yeah, you can see readability is fine. And then we talk about the keyword. So we have to put in a keyword and say random numbers in PHP. So what we can do here, we can say I can copy this if I want to create a powerful keyword, and we say PHP random numbers. We can make it to be like that, and we say PHP random number, or we can say random number or numbers, whatever I want to say. And we're gonna use this as our keyword. Copy this, put it here. So it shows in orange. So but if it shows green, it means it's very good. So if it shows in orange, it means it's at least fine, but not that good. So what can we do to make it look a little bit powerful? So what we do, we can come here and we paste that and do this. So also here we can edit this, and we maybe put that and save. Okay, so when we save, still we can't get it that much right, but okay, we can go here and put our description, which is gonna be put that, and we can copy some of this information and we paste it here. Okay, yes, then we save. Yes guys, that's the end of our tutorial. Guys, see you in new